everyone! Today I would like to share how to make this flower vine bracelet. First, fold all the strings in half. Take the green string and make one lark head knot onto pink and yellow strings. Take the green string on the right and make 6 backward-forward knots. Take the green string on the left and make 6 forward backward knots. Form a loop and attach it firmly on the working surface. Take the green string on the right and make 1 backward-forward knot onto all the other 5 strings. Now, take the green string, which is in the bundle of the string, and make 1 double forward knot onto 4 strings in the center. Take the green string on the right and make 3 backward-forward knots onto the other green string. Now we make the first flower using pink strings. Set the 2 pink strings in the center and set 2 yellow strings, one on each side. Use 2 yellow strings to make a triangle on top of 2 pink strings. Take the end of the right pink string and pass it through the right triangle. Now, take the end of the left pink string and pass it through the left triangle. Now, pull 2 pink strings downwards and pull 2 yellow strings on each side. all at the same time. We just made the first knot, which is the first petal. Now pass the right pink string under the right yellow string to switch two strings. Take the right pink string and make one backward-forward knot onto the yellow string. Now take the left pink string and pass it under the left yellow string. Take the pink string and make 3 forward backward knots onto the yellow string. We made 5 knots so far. Now we make the 6th and the last knot, which is the same as the first knot. Take the yellow string on the right and pass it over the pink string on the right. Take the yellow string on the left and pass it over the pink string on the left. Form a triangle using 2 yellow strings. Take the right pink string and put it through the right triangle. Take the left pink string and put it through the left triangle. Pull all the 4 strings to make the last knot of the flower. Now make 2 groups of strings with 1 yellow and 1 pink on each side. Take the closer green string and make 2 double backward knots onto each group of strings. Now take the right green string and make 2 double backward knots onto each group of strings. We just finished one round of the first flower. The second flower will be the mirror image of the first flower. Take the green string on the left and make 3 forward backward knots onto the other green string. Form a triangle using 2 pink strings. Pass the 2 yellow strings on each triangle. Pull all the 4 strings to form the knot. Pass the left yellow string under the left pink string and make 1 forward backward knot. Pass the right yellow string under the right pink string and make 3 backward forward knots. Make a triangle using 2 pink strings. Take the 2 yellow strings and pass them through each triangle. Pull all the strings to form the knot. Take the closer green string and make 2 double forward knots on each pink and yellow. Take the left green string and make 2 double forward knots on each pink and yellow. Now we're back to the start. Repeat the steps until you reach the desired length. Here I will show you how to switch the long and short strings for each color. I use this step for 5th flower for each color. Start making the flower the same way as it was explained. Now here comes the different part. Take the 2 pink strings under the yellow triangle and switch the position. The rest of the steps are all the same. Do the same thing for the fifth yellow flower. Switch the 2 yellow strings under the pink triangle before you make the knot. Here is how you finish the bracelet after making the last flower. I made 7 flowers each. Put all the pink and yellow strings together. Take the closer green string and make 1 double forward knot. Now take the left green string and make 1 forward backward knot onto all the other 5 strings. Divide the 6 strings into equal groups. Make 3 strand braids on each side. Finish the strands with overhand knots. Cut the excessive strings and you're done. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon.